Waves of flavor.
Great thing is you'll pick up things that I don't pick up.
This deserves to be in the Grand Series. Hello guys, we're at the Glenfiddich stand here at the Whisky Show in London. I'm with Tom. Tom.
Hi, Jim Broker.
Great to meet you.
You too, man. So yeah, I'm here with Glenfiddich today, the old Billingsgate for the Whisky Show. Best whisky show in the world, in my opinion. We've got some of our core range with us. We've got a new release. And we also have some of our Grand Series, so the more luxury products. The main one we're championing this time is to celebrate our collaboration with Aston Martin and the F1 team. So this was launched approximately 3 weeks ago. Championing American oak. You got 3 different casks. First fill, you have virgin oak, and you have a Californian wine cask finish. A pretty delicious whiskey. You're most welcome to try. So tell me what you think.
Summery fruits. You're in the outdoors. It's very floral, nice florals. Pear, a lot of pear coming through, sweet.
Always in Glenfiddich, so you'll always get apples and pears in a Glenfiddich. Little grassy notes.
Soft oak, very well amalgamated in. A touch of, like you said, the wine cask, just a touch coming through, maybe more on the palate. Oh, wow. I don't like using the word smooth, but that is...
I try and avoid that as well, but it's hard.
That is...
Sometimes there's no other word for it.
Yeah. We're using it from a technical point of view, right? This is smooth, sweet, soft caramel, slight light tannin, slight red fruits. Incredible whiskey. So this has just come out, right? It's recently?
Approximately 3 weeks ago, 3.5 weeks ago. So we did 2 to celebrate the collaboration. So we did a 16-year-old, which you just tried. We also did a 19-year-old, which is available only travel retail. Essentially the same, but that also has some European oak in there as well.
That is a delicious dram. I love the wine cask, edge to it.
Gives you a nice dryness on the finish.
Yeah, a slight dryness. It's not overpowering in the slightest. It's been done in a very professional way. Now we're on to something a little bit older.
We're going to take it up a notch, basically. A limited release from our Grand Series.
Wow.
So the 31-year-old Grand Chateau. Straight away, the color hits you.
Spectacular. Wow. That is gorgeous.
So 31-year-old American European oak, sort of standard issue Glenfiddich, but then this has a 9-year maturation in ex-Bordeaux wine casks, red wine casks. So you can tell immediately by the color, really rich.
That is a beautiful bottle. It's almost like, wine bottles have a bit of red at the top, whether it's the wax or labeling, but this is a stunning
The
bottle.
visible cork, I think, is pretty cool. A homage to wine.
Oh gosh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Most welcome for a little splash, my friend.
Thank you so much. Yes, it would be an honor.
I might join you.
I can't even tell this is wine cask. If you told me, if it was a sherry cask, I'd believe you.
I mean, it's rich. There's a lot going on. So I'm getting like cherries, apples,
red berry,
100%.
Oh,
Toasted almonds, almost like,
wow.
you get a creaminess to it.
Raspberry jam sort of coming through. You didn't cheers me.
Oh, sorry. How rude.
Pineapple, light pineapple.
Great thing is you'll pick up things that I don't pick up. We'll disagree, we'll agree.
Wow. Wow. Waves of flavor. This is really complex, giving, sweet. Again, slightly bordering strawberry, but there's like strawberry laces coming through. This is very well amalgamated. I always say red wine cask it's not the easiest thing to work with.
True.
But this has been done in a fabulous way. This deserves to be in the Grand Series. If you found that useful, please press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.